Hi there, today we're going to talk about how to cite a source by adding a footnote into a Google Doc. It's actually quite easy if you're using the Explorer tool. I'm going to focus in on that. It's on the bottom right-hand corner. If you hover over it, the Explorer tab comes out. If you click on it, you'll get a search box here and it'll give you some topics. So storm chasing is the topic that I want to cite. So I want a broad definition of it. So I can read which one I want. I could select the quote by clicking, holding, and dragging. And I can click, hold, and drag just the same to click the quote into my cell. Put in the proper punctuation. And at the end, I can go back to my Explorer, and this is the section where I got the quote, and click on these two marks there. You can see the note comes up to cite as a footnote. When I click on that, it's going to give a subscript. Then on the bottom of that page, it's going to have a footnote to cite the source of where I got the quote. And that's how you insert a footnote.